Well, hi there. Welcome to Bella's Vistas. Thanks for visiting. Please like, subscribe, and visit again soon. Well, I've had some problems with the van. Well, we've had this van for 6 years and it's 1995. Got 325,000 miles on it. I had another exhaust problem and an intake leak, some kind of a vacuum leak. And I thought I would fiddle around and everything, and then I decided I better get some professional help here. So I decided I'd take it into Cliff at Trusted Car Care, Kitchener, and see what he thought. He's got a smoking machine so we could smoke the exhaust and see where the exhaust leak is, smoke the intake and see where the vacuum leak is. We'll just see what happens. I'm going to take the van over there, leave it overnight, and in the morning we're going to put it up in the air and smoke test. Here I am at Trusted Car Care. We're going to smoke test my van today and see. I've got an exhaust leak and I also have some vacuum leaks that I want to check out. So Trusted Car Care, Victoria Street North in Kitchener. Well, there she goes up in the air. This is the Smoke Pro little rigmarole. I'm going to pressurize the exhaust with smoke and see where she's leaking out. We got a leak here where the joints are.
Tighten that up some.
This is a civilized way to work, up in the air with some light and everything. No rocks to roll around on. I'm loving it. Well, I'm not even doing anything, so that makes it even better. Have a burning desire to cut off all those hoses and throw it all in the garbage. Here you can see the smoke coming out of the EGR valve, so you know where the problem is now. Yes, indeed, this one is really shot. It's leaking like a sieve right through the rubber. Well now, at the end of the day, what did we figure out? Cliff found a couple leaks on the exhaust that he could tighten up a little bit. We found out that we need a new EGR valve. We replaced some hoses that were leaking vacuum that I never would have found. And we're going to probably put a new gasket on the exhaust manifold, but only on the right hand side. I thought we might have to replace all of them, but the left one wasn't leaking at all, so probably saved a lot of money by doing it the right way and checking things out. Thanks for visiting Bella's Vistas. Come on back again real soon. Don't forget to like and subscribe and click that little bell.